Today, I'm trying something I've never attempted before. I ordered 25,000 Lasius niger ants online, and I'm raising the entire colony inside my basement. I honestly don't know what's going to happen. Ant colonies behave in fascinating ways. They coordinate, adapt, and sometimes surprise me.
So today, I want to see what happens when 25,000 ants try to build a world of their own from scratch.
To start, I prepared a simple but stable habitat. A sand clay nesting chamber, a moisture reservoir on one side, and a clean foraging area filled with small stones, bran flakes, and droplets of sugar water. So I placed the entire setup downstairs in my basement. When I released all 25,000 ants, the entire surface came alive instantly. Workers rushed in every direction, searching for darkness, humidity, and a place to hide. The sound of thousands of tiny feet against the acrylic was oddly calming. During the first 24 hours, not every ant adapted smoothly. A small number of workers became disoriented from the stress of relocation. Some curled up on the sand, barely moving, while the rest of the colony continued organizing around them. By day 2, most of the weakened ants recovered as they found humidity and stability inside the nest. A few didn't make it, which is normal for a colony this large. The workers quietly removed the non-survivors, keeping the nest perfectly clean. By the end of the first week, the colony finally settled. Trails formed between the nest and the feeding area. The queen stayed deep inside the chambers, surrounded by her first batches of brood. Meanwhile, the colony maintained constant activity at the feeding area. Around the second and third week, activity exploded. At night, the entire colony became hyperactive. New tunnels appeared. Fresh chambers expanded. But with this growth came issues: humidity pockets, small mold patches, and the need for constant cleaning. Slowly, the colony stabilized. Moisture levels evened out. The brood pile grew larger every week. Workers coordinated smoothly, forming traffic-like patterns in the foraging zone. By day 75, the entire ecosystem was finally in balance. After 100 days, the colony has transformed. Tens of thousands of workers, thousands of pupae, and an entire functioning underground city. What started as chaos slowly organized itself into a perfectly balanced ecosystem. And this is just the beginning. If you want to see what happens when the colony reaches 50,000, or when I introduce them to a larger terrarium, because this tiny world still has a lot to show us.